These are for you if you're looking to help your body heal and reset your digestive system. Both of these are highly anti-inflammatory, gut-friendly, and support natural liver detox. And you know what the best news is? They literally take 5 minutes to assemble, and the benefits are countless. My name is Oksana. A little bit of my favorite blend spice. Fair warning, side effects may include less bloating, more energy, clearer skin, and simply enjoying your lunch. Because you know what? After all genius things are simple. By the way, sauerkraut I use in this recipe is homemade, and I have a video where I show how I make it step by step. So make sure to check it out. Link below this video. Sauerkraut is the best healing food for your gut. And also those sprouts you keep seeing, those are broccoli sprouts. I sprouted them myself, and I also have a video how I make them step by step. So if you're interested in sprouting your own seed, make sure to check it out. What about the bread I've been using? This is also something I make. Those are lentil buns. Gluten-free, fermented, packed with fiber. I have a video how I make it, so check it out. You see, you don't need complicated recipes or expensive supplements to start healing. These meals are delicious, simple, yet powerful and deeply nourishing. If you like this kind of content, give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so we can start healing together. And yes, let me know in the comments which one of these you're going to make next.